Hello everybody, I'm Iniyalzh. So, a sun rises in the east and sets in west. Alphabet begins with the letter A and ends with the letter Z. A week begins with Sunday and ends with Saturday, but friendship has no endings. If you are with their friends, you would get 12 months of happiness, 52 weeks of fun, 365 days laughing, 8,760 hours of good luck, and 5,25,600 minutes of joy, and 3 crore 15 lakhs 36,000 seconds of love. So, folks, I believe in angels, the kind that heaven sends. I am surrounded by many angels and I call them friends. A friend is someone who sits next to you, and if you think yourself as an ugly person, he is someone who supports you and he says, don't think yourself as an ugly person, think yourself as a beautiful monkey. So, a friend is someone who turns negatives to positives. Twins are born to same mother, but friends are someone who are born to different mothers. So today I'm going to teach you a beautiful scenery of the theme of friendship. So now let's begin the session, and the materials required are. So first you need oil pastel, and the second one you need is a neat A4 sheet, and the third one you need is a piece of cotton. So now let me tell you the colors that I am going to use in this session. So the first color I am going to use is white, and the second one is a primary red, the third one is a dark red, and the fourth one is black. So today I am going to use 4 colors, and now let's begin the session. So now take a neat A4 sheet and place it on your table. So friends, you have to first draw a neat square like this. And now you have to take the color white and you have to shade them at the center first. You have to shade them in a circle. You have to shade them in a square shape, friends. So friends, after coloring the color white, you have to take primary red and you have to color it layer above the color of white. This pattern should also be in the square shape. So friends, I have completed white and primary red. Now I am going to choose a third color, that is dark red. So now see here, I have completed the three layers, and the last layer is using the color black. So make sure that the black color should cover these corners and the edges here. So now see here, I have used black at these 2 corners and at the bottom. So now we have to take the color white and merge it with the color primary red. That is the next color to it. So after merging with primary red, now take primary red and merge it with the color dark. So after merging, now take the color dark red and merge it with the color black. So now after merging, now take some cotton pieces and merge it along with what you have done now. So friends, now just look at this. This is our first look scenery, and next we are going to draw a friendship a picture in this. So now let me teach you how to draw that. Take another rough sheet first so that you can have a practice of it once and then you can draw it. So friends, first draw a heart bridge like this and then draw it in this image too. Make sure in this image it should be a bit small, and then after drawing, except that heart, you have to color on the both sides of the rectangles. So now let me draw it. So friends, after drawing like this, now let me tell you the second step what you have to draw. Now friends, draw a image of 2 girls sitting like this holding a heart, and then a chair like this. Make sure that the ground must be that heart position. So we have to draw this in our scenery now. So now just look at this picture, 2 girls holding a heart, and now we have to draw another 2 friends here. So now let me draw that. see this friends, after doing this, now I'm going to cut the outer border here. Friends, now just see here, draw a tree like this, and now draw a tree like this in this picture, and now draw some bushes down, and now you can decorate using white paint. So I'm going to do that. So take a paint palette. So friends, after doing that, you can now decorate your scenery like this, like heart blossoms here, and now you can take another A4 sheet and you can paste this neatly, or you can do this as a wall hanging as per your choice. So finally, now after this wall hanging, I'm going to take an A4 sheet and I'm just going to paste this in this. So to succeed in life, we need three things. One is a wishbone, a backbone, and a funny bone. A wishbone is a teacher, a backbone is our parents, and always a funny bone is one. The language of friendship is not in meaning, but it not in sentence, but it is always a meaning. So a friend is like a star who twinkles. A friend is like a gold who is a treasure. A friend is someone you can trust always. A friend is like an ocean that flows. A friend is always more than one in a trillion. So make sure getting a friend is always a blessing. A bestie is someone who always makes you laugh when you think you will never laugh again. So learn one thing, folks and friends. So in your life there will be many people who will walk in and out, but only a true friend will always leave his footprints in your heart. So finally, if you never had a friend, it means that you have never lived a life. Thank you. This is P.M.Iniyalzh signing off. If you like this video, subscribe and share this in our channel and comment. Thank you once again. Bye.